Okay, so we'll be doing question 2.1.2, which says determine the nth term of the pattern. So essentially, since we are given a quadratic pattern, the nth term is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. And in order to give the actual formula for the nth term, we would need to solve a, b, and c. So in essence, that's what we'll be solving in this question. So how we go about that is by using some general formulas that we should have learned from class. The first one being the second difference of a quadratic is equal to 2a. So that is 2a. Okay, let's rewrite that. 2a is equal to our second difference, which was calculated above, which is equal to 6. And that leaves us with a being equal to minus 6 over 2, which is equal to minus 3. The second general formula that we're going to use is, we know that the first difference of the first term of the first difference of a quadratic is 3a plus b. Now, what was the first term of the first difference? We scroll up, we see that minus 9 was the first term of the first difference of our quadratic. So we'll write here minus 9. And since we've already solved for a, we'll quickly substitute a. Minus 3 plus b is equal to minus 9. Now that leaves us with minus 9 plus b is equal to minus 9. Means b is equal to minus 9 plus 9, which gives us 0. The last part to complete this is, we know that the first term of the quadratic is, we know that a plus b plus c is equal to the first term of the quadratic. Now, let's quickly scroll up and see what the first term of the quadratic was. The first term of the quadratic was 5. So if we scroll back down, we should write a plus b plus c is equal to 5. We've already solved for a. We've already solved for b as well. Now we're just short of c, equal to 5. That leaves us with c being equal to 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. And then the general formula of the nth term is equal to a, which in our case is minus 3, n squared, plus b, which is equal to 0, so we'll leave this term out, plus c, which is equal to 8. And there you have it, your nth term.